What's up guys, this is Andrew at Diamond Graphics. This week we got a cool stripe kit going on. This is for a very good customer of mine. So we do a lot of stripe kits on a lot of different muscle cars. This one's a little bit more unique. So the customer has a lot of aftermarket parts that are in forged carbon fiber with red in them. We purchased the design and we had a print company print red forged carbon on a silver metallic film. And then we're doing the stripes extra wide with reflective pinstripes on both sides of it. So check it out, it's kind of a cool project. Let us know what you think. We hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. If you guys got questions about vinyl, feel free to leave us a comment.